Nano clay, the liquid turning desert to farmland by Rachel Lovell. Rachel Lovell is a well known journalist known for her work on environmental and agricultural topics. Her nano clay, the liquid turning desert to farmland, was published in 2020. This article that appeared in Fellow Food presents a hopeful glimpse into the future of sustainable agriculture in arid regions. Desert Control, a Norwegian company, and the Great Green Wall Project in Africa are at the forefront to combat desertification and restore degraded land. Nanoclay technology has helped them transform the barren deserts into productive farmland. In fact, nanoclay technology draws inspiration from the natural fertility of the Nile Delta that historically thrived due to annual floods depositing nutrient rich clay. However, that annual top up stopped when Aswan Dam was constructed in 1970s across the Nile. Thus, the Nile Delta stopped flourishing. When the soil scientists and engineers had figured out this, they also found a solution to convert a desert into a farmland with the nanoclay technology. Actually, it was Ole Sivertsen, the chief executive of Desert Control of Norway, developed it. According to Ole Sivertsen, the presence of clay in the right proportion can change the unproductive desert from sand to hope. Liquid nanoclay (LNC) is created when irrigation water and clay are mixed. The mixing is taken to the site and the LNC is spread onto sandy soil using traditional irrigation systems like sprinklers or water wagons. The clay that is sprayed makes a 200 to 300 nanometer layer around each sand particle. The clay mimics organic matter in its functionality, helping soils retain water and allowing the soil flora and fauna to gain foothold. Within 7 hours, crops can be planted there then. It costs nearly $2 per square meter and lasts for about 5 years, after which the clay needs a top up. Though it is now successfully practiced in UAE, United Arab Emirates, in the future this can be used everywhere to transform the unproductive land to farmland. Biochar, The black carbon produced from biomass sources is also there in the use to boost soil fertility and its ability to withstand drought. Vermiculite, a mineral mined from rocks which can retain water for long periods too, is doing its part in dryland cultivation. However, during COVID-19 lockdown period in UAE, Sivatsan, along with ICBA and the Red Crescent team, successfully cultivated 200 kg watermelons, zucchini, and millet in a 1000 square meters trial plot by using nano clay. Thus, Rachel Lovell explores the theme of desert reclamation and agricultural innovation inspired by nanoclay technology in nanoclay, the liquid turning desert to farmland.